Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Pete, and today we're doing an unboxing of Adams Polish's 15mm Pro Swirl Killer Mystery Box. That's a mouthful. Stick around. Alright, so I've been waiting for this one to come back in stock for quite some time. It's the Adams Swirl Killer 15mm Mystery Box. It's a $300 mystery box, and you're supposed to get $400 worth of stuff. And wouldn't you know it, as soon as I ordered it, Adams put everything on their website at 20% off. So we're going to challenge Adams today and see if their mystery box can beat even their 20% off. So let's get started. So let's see what we got. All right, obviously the reason why we bought the box, the polisher. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's heavy. Comes with a D handle for holding it. This is extremely heavy. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but it is heavy. I can see that this, you can get tired holding this doing an entire car. Nice thing about this is it does have the detachable cord. And I believe this is a 25-foot cord. So not a lot of need to be unplugging and replugging it back in. So that's nice. Cord is really nice. Looks very well made. So obviously the reason we bought it, I'm going to tell you, there's not a lot in this box, so Adams is going to have a challenge making their $400, but we'll see. The 5.5-inch white foam pad, obviously you need that for polishing. 5.5-inch blue foam compound pad, that's nice. Looks like they're fine clay. It's not marked, but I'll look it up. Compound. Polish. So we've got everything we need to get started polishing, as well as a bottle of detail spray. In addition, a single soft polishing towel. This seems to be a staple in every Adams mystery box. I've probably got 6 of these that I haven't even opened. So they give these away a lot. And finally, the Ultra Plush drying towel. These are awesome. If you haven't bought them yet, buy one. These things are fantastic. I use them all the time. I've got several of them. They're well worth it. So, that's it. Okay, so what are the damages? I made a list. And if you're familiar with Adam's website, I'm sure you've noticed at certain times, they will list a product, put a line through the price, and then have a price next to it. On several of these items, they did that exactly. Like I said earlier, there's a 20% discount going on. And if I were to have purchased these items today, I would have gotten 20% off on everything. So if you follow the list price, the price with the line through it, it would have cost $442.91 for the 9 items that are listed. If you would follow the discounted price, that's the price next to that, that price would have been $408.91. So either way, I came out ahead, saying that they would give you $400 worth of product if you spent the $300. If I would have purchased all of these products today, with the 20% off that they're offering, the total would have come to $327.13. So really, about a $27 difference was all that it made. Not saying that I didn't make out, got $27 worth of stuff for free, but you do have to watch Adams with the way they price things. Like I've told you before, they have 20% discounts running all the time. Try to do your best to wait on things before you spend the money. I know some of their stuff is very expensive, but they always run specials for the 20%. So it's pretty rare that you can't get that stuff off. Mystery boxes will never have 20% off, but they will do store-wide stuff like they did this time. So just a little FYI, watch yourself. But once again, I enjoy all their products. That's all for today. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.